Well, here we go, boys.
Here we go. We're heading to San Antonio.
Is anybody going to San
Why
Antonio?
are we going, Jake?
We are going to the Rollout. It's my first time.
Oh, that's right.
I've never been.
So Jake's first chance at the Rollout's a big old Volkswagen show down at Traders Village in South San Antonio. And you may say, my goodness gracious, y'all are going out there for camping out for 2 days. Well, you'll soon find out why we are able to do it, because there's electricity there.
Yes, it's August in Texas and it's hot.
Yeah.
So we've got about 110, 20 miles to head south, and we're taking you with us. And let's go.
Join us. Let's go. We're headed to San Antonio for the Rollout. Y'all stick with us.
All right, so it's about midnight and we're rolling up to Traders Village. We're gonna try to set up camp for the night. All right, well, last night we got in here about 11 o'clock and we slept very well with our AC systems.
Y'all, it was 60 degrees in Jerry this morning. Felt like I was up in the crisp mountains.
Hey, Matt Jackson. AC units. So now it's time to set up, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. And I see it's time to set up. And what's Matt Jackson grab? The camera.
Yay! Phone dials are going to a new home.
Gary makes start stands out of old transmissions, so we're gonna pick up this cord right here for $10 and take it home with us. There you go.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Right here, let's go check it out.
Yeah, I think we should. I don't know if Dwight's around, but this thing is this is a one of, man. This is Ike Wright's from Lavernia. It's a 64. It's awesome, man. It's, do you know of any others around?
I see a few of the snails, but they're not very common, I guess.
Yeah, it's awesome. I like it. I'm glad you got it. It's cool.
Fun buck.
Thanks, man. Okay, everybody. I'm sitting here. What's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel, tell us about your 51.
He's got this car about 6 months ago.
Oh, so you haven't had it for very long. And where did you get it?
Florida.
In Florida.
Florida.
Wow. Okay. So tell us about your 51. What's what all have you learned out in the 6 months you've had it?
I like it, but it needs a little things to get it done. You know, like it needs to work on it.
Right. Well, we got to work on all our Volkswagens. That's the case. Is this the oldest Volkswagen you've ever owned?
Yes.
It's
the
really
last one I have is a 55.
a 55. Well, so you know about older cars, that's for sure. Well, it's just so cool seeing an early Beetle like this, 1951. That's pretty impressive.
Yes.
I'm glad you brought it out to the show today.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dan.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Let's go get pina coladas.
Let's go. I have to get a virgin one though, Matt Jackson.
Yes, we're not gonna start day drinking.
Well, we're not going to pull a bearded wonder and get liquored up in the middle of the day.
Yeah.
A pineapple. 4. Woo! How is it, Charlie? Damn! VW Live!
It's a party. It's VW Live.
VW Live! Living it live! They're alcohol free.
Oh my gosh. Do you like pina colada?
We're about to go on the cruise. Jason and I found a ride. It's gonna be pretty
TV.
fun.
Safe travels, boys.
Have fun on the cruise, Jake.
Woo!
You can try to see if it has battery, does it? Yeah.
Bannigan. Look at that chariot right there. Woo! Oh. There's a June bug competitor right there.
It's now nighttime and we've shut down the swap area. People are barbecuing and having a good old time and reminiscing. So stick with us. Tomorrow morning is the big show.
Yeah, so the rollout continues. It's the most unique Volkswagen show anywhere. Yeah, because it's on this big time.
Good morning, Gary.
Good morning, Matt Jackson. Here we go.
Oh, I slept so well.
Oh my gosh, Jerry the bus with the air conditioner is like. I think I'm just gonna live in Jerry.
Look how wet it is, folks, from all the condensation and the AC in it. Look at this.
It's 60 degrees in there.
It's good living.
It's good living the dream. And what's happening over there at Ziggy the bus? What's up?
Look, this guy VW Live is recording me. 4 horsepower. Okay.
Hey everybody, we're here with Mr. Impy himself. Corey, how's it going?
Good, man. Thanks. Good to be here.
How you loving Texas, buddy?
I'm sweating, but it's definitely cool. I love it.
It's not Cali weather is what he's
No,
telling me.
I think that's it. Well, at least we're under shade. We are so excited to have you guys. We're going to do a little, what they call, I think Matt Jackson calls it a collaboration.
Collab, yes, sir.
Yeah, so
We saw what you guys were doing. We've been watching you for a long time. Big fans of the channel and show, and just the rawness you guys do. And we figured, hey man, let's support the guys that are doing it firsthand and let them test the products.
right. Right on. Well, we're going to give it a shot. So you guys stick with us. We are going to just do some fun stuff. We got some amazing things coming in down the pipeline here with the guys from MP. It's going to be really cool for everybody to be a part of this, and we're just excited.
No, man, thanks for the opportunity.
Dude, totally excited. You guys aren't excited, but
No, Tommy's really excited.
That gives you an indication of where we're going to go with
I'm a
something.
little freaked out right now.
When old Bear starts shaking, you know it's in. So we're excited. Stick with us, guys. This is going to be cool.
Yeah,
Thank
that's
y'all.
gonna be awesome.
All right, Gary, fun is being had by all, but you know, we've got to make our way north.
Yes, and so we're kind of picking up. I have a method to my madness. I have label my tubs so that way I can kind of like know what I have, and when I find stuff I can put them in there. So this one's called good stuff. Like, look at that, blue dots. You put these in your tail light, Matt Jackson.
It actually says good stuff.
Yes, it's good stuff. This is the good stuff. This is a good. It must not be too good because it didn't sell.
That's not that good.
Look
So,
at that. Who could, like, that's a genuine VW parts box. Somebody would probably want to buy that, but
for
not.
$2, that's a deal at twice the
Yeah, it
price.
has no parts in it.
So we're gonna load up the buses and break down the swap and head north to Austin, and hopefully we make it okay.
Yeah, hopefully.
Wouldn't be an adventure if we didn't have some weather to deal with.
Storm of the century, Matt Jackson.
Storm of the century.
This could be it. This is where we go down. This is it.
Look, 5 splits heading into their destiny.
It's the perfect storm. It's not going to let us out.
So we're taping up our
So we're on our way
safaris.
to the Flemish Caps.
Sandbanks are west of us. I'm headed east. The Flemish Cap.
This
Today's
video,
episode sponsored by the Friends at Rain-X.
It's fine. It's just paper lock. That's out of field the whole time.
alright, well, we've got some rain. I've got rain all the way down, dripping. VW Life. We've got a good 5 or 10 miles of really heavy rain, hopefully, and then we kind of punch on
20
through.
degrees cooler. Watch your brake, because your web would come.
Pretty much flooded streets at this point.
Be careful.
Heavy water. Woo! Rough.
20 minutes later.
Okay, well, we made it through most of the rain, the heavy stuff, soaking wet. I think we're all kind of wet to some degree, all of us. And but luckily, we'll have cooler temps going into Austin. It's 73 in Texas in August, so at least we got that going for us.
We're out of it, right? I can open up my windows now.
All right, well, Kiki, that's okay, Kiki, that's okay. Kiki ran out of gas. I'm on CB, so I told the crew up ahead that we're pulled over. So they're gonna run up the road, and we're just gonna wait for some gas over here. Luckily, it's not raining. All right, they're here with gas. Okay.
You know what your new name is? Effing new guy. Effing G.
All right, well, Kiki's having starting issues, so they're gonna push it.
Okay, go.
Sorry for being such a fun. VW Life.
Well, boys.
That's a wrap on the weekend. We hope you guys enjoyed our little adventure to San Antonio.
Yes, and the VW Rollout. Thanks again to Alfred and the guys at the Rollout for putting on a wonderful show at Traders Village. We look forward to going next year. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been quite an adventure going home today. So,
yes.
But we've our bellies are full and our hearts are happy, so that's what matters.
What do they need to do, Jake?
Oh, I don't. That's not on my line, Matt Jackson.
Hey, everybody out there, make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life, because we do this for you, the VW community, because this is what it's all about. Go to a show, hang out with your buddies, have some fun, and
Drive your Volkswagen.
Drive your Volkswagen. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon.